my sheet, Tim. Where's my sheet? Never mind, we don't need that. Imagine I'm holding the hashtag upgrade your nutrition checklist for lean greens. Right, so today we decided to, it's Saturday, so, you know, maybe you're entertaining guests this evening, or maybe you're just kicking back and, you know, watching something on the telly with a wee drink. So we decided to do guacamole, make your own guacamole. I did used to buy guacamole from the supermarket in the fresh bit, not the tin stuff or the jar stuff, but it is so easy to make and it is so much better than anything you can buy. So I've done a little bit of prep here, but basically, you know, avocados. I've managed to buy some Miracle, found how amazing is it when you open an avocado and it's actually ripe.
There are some like methods to like figure out how whether a guacamole, whether an avocado is ripe.
There are indeed. Also, we tip. One thing I have found you can do with unripe avocado. I'm just gonna kind of smooshing this up and making noise. If you get an avocado that's not ripe, this is probably really. It's a bit slutty. Slice up your avocado, wrap your avocado slices so you're under not ripe avocado, wrap them in streaky bacon and bake them in the oven, and you get like bacon avocado chips that you can then like dip in like garlic mayonnaise or something, and it's kind of amazing. But you probably don't want to eat too much of that. Now here, this is not for you. You do not like avocado. No, you don't. So in my homemade avocado, I simply use chopped tomato, some fresh chilli. If you don't have any fresh chilli, doesn't mean you can't do it. If you've got some of this stuff or ground dried chilies, does the job. Some recipes use red onion. I'm using spring onion because that's what I had in the fridge, and fresh coriander. I'm going to whack that in there, give it a wee bit of a smoosh about. I've gone quite heavy on the tomatoes because Tim likes tomatoes. And then lime juice, that's going to stop it from going weird and brown. If you give your lime a wee roll on a hard surface before you try and squeeze it, you'll get a wee bit more juice out. Have a good squeeze of lime. The dog is panting away in the background thinking that this is for him, and it's just not. There we go. I may get a fork out and smoosh the avocado a little bit more, but it's looking pretty good. I'm going to give it a wee little bit of salt, and then I'm going to pop that in the fridge, and we'll have it later. We're having steak tonight, so I may even serve this as a side with our steak. I think that will go quite nicely.
What do you do with like chips and stuff?
Oh, tortilla chips?
Yeah.
Yeah, tortilla chips are alright. You could probably try and find a, you know, gluten-free or corn-free or hand-baked or some sort of really healthy tortilla chip. But to be fair, if you can eat tortilla chips, enjoy them. Put something good on them though. Make your own guacamole, or we're going to be doing a video in the next couple of days for make your own tzatziki. You can make your own hummus. Doesn't really matter. You know, enjoy your tortilla chips and your guacamole with friends. And yeah, smile, it's Saturday, you made it. If you're in England, you've managed to survive a whole week of your kids being back at school. And if you're in Scotland, it's nearly half term.